Good morning, guys. My name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. And what are we gonna do today? Well, today I'm gonna show you how you can do your own brake fluid change on a BMW F800GT. And it is very easy. All you need is brake fluid, of course. This is Castrol brake fluid DOT4. It's good. Another thing you need is the Motorscan app to cycle your ABS pump. I always love to do that with a brake fluid change on a bike like this. I will link all the parts and the tools you need in the description below. I would say come on over and we start. The very first thing we're gonna do is cover everything with towels, because brake fluid is very aggressive and you don't want to have that stuff on your paint or your screen. Nope, better safe than sorry. Got a big blanket on the ground. It's a bit overkill, but better safe than sorry, eh? Okay, now first get the lid off. Hop. Guys, what I always do whenever I have a BMW is this is some sort of ratchet system, and you need a special tool to get it off the lid. It's a tool that goes underneath and it squeezes those plastic together, and then you can turn your lid off. But I always sand them away with my band sander, because when was the last time someone screwed off your brake fluid cap? In my 45 years of driving, 45, we getting old, I never came back to my bike and saw that the cap was removed by someone. So when you sand that away, you can easily take your cap off. Don't have to do that, but you have to buy that tool. Put it in. Then there's a lot of moisture on top of the diaphragm. Come on over. First. Come on. Get that. Soaked up. Okay. Then you have to be very careful, guys. Put another towel a bit over here. Yes. Guys, I always like to use these bottles. I'm going to suck out as much brake fluid as I can, so I don't mix the new brake fluid with the old already in here. So no, just this came out. It's 2-year-old brake fluid. It still looks good, but brake fluid tend to suck up moisture. So that's why you have to change it at least every 2 years. At least. First, I'm gonna give this a good clean. Want everything almost shiny, huh? With my famous toilet paper. Okay. Yes. Looks good. Yep. Now guys, another thing I always like to do is get my brake fluid into one of those containers. It's easy to pour it in. Here I got a brand new brake fluid. I'm gonna carefully squeeze it in. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to the calipers. Guys, we need my homemade canister. It's a bit hardened over time, but first we're gonna take the rubber cap off. Then we give it a quick smackety smack and it's open now. Now we're gonna do the open close technique. Now, actually it's very simple. Squeeze the handle and then open the caliper. Hop, close it. Carefully let your handle go. Guys, and be careful with squeezing it. Some pumps shoot out brake fluid. So now, hop, carefully pump 1 or 2 times, 3 times, you feel here, hop, and then up, up, up. Keep an eye on your reservoir. Okay. Open close, pump a few times and now I feel pressure. Then I open the caliper, the air screw on the caliper, quickly and then close. It's actually so easy, saves you a lot of money. Up, up, keep an eye on your reservoir. Something like this. Wait a minute. Get this one out of the way. Okay. Up. Up. I love it. I love it. Always like this. Ta-da! Close. Luckily, those brake lines are very, very tiny. So 1.5, then you already got all the brake fluid out. But let's do it a bit more, just for the fun. bike has braided brake lines. I love it. Gives a sturdy feeling on your brake handle. So, guys, for this side, it's alright. Then, I'll show you the old mechanic trick. First, close it, then carefully get your hose off. Carefully, don't spray it away, which I didn't. That's good. Okay, and then, guys, there is still brake fluid in here, and over time it starts to corrode that air screw. So what I always do is first one, see already, and then take a longer, better one. It was not that good. This is a good one. So, and I leave it over there for a while, so all that brake fluid that's still into that air screw is going to suck out. If you wait a while, couple of years, and then it breaks off over there. Dealers don't do this, but I do. Because I want the bike to be future proof. Wow, old mechanic. Then we're gonna fill it. But guys, keep it horizontal. And now, then I'm gonna it needs to be okay, somewhere there. Yes, bit more. Nope. Okay, we're gonna clean this one. Very good. Good clean. Something like this. Pop, pop. So that's the way. So. Yes. Then I'm going to turn it inside out. Inside out. Yes. Now, then in its original form, something like this. Yes. Then, okay. Onto there. We give this a good clean too. So, you know, yeah, I like it shiny, yeah, you know me. Always go the extra mile. Hop. Then the super cap. Up. So. Yes. Okay, not too tight. Now it's good. Up. No, wasn't that difficult, eh? So, out of the way. Up. So guys, that was my video. How you can do your own brake fluid change on a BMW F800GT. But actually, it's the same procedure on every motorcycle. And I hope you liked this video. Learned a few things maybe. Do it yourself with my video, few tools. And if you do, please consider a subscription. I really would appreciate that. Give me thumbs up. Also good for the YouTube algorithm, eh? Now, hope to see you the next time. Back in my shed. And for now, old mechanic.